Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. So today we have one interesting video under binomial distribution. So the video that we have has an interesting question in it, which reads to say, in Livingston, 30% of workers take public transport daily. In a sample of 10 workers, remember, a sample is simply a portion of a population. So it is even better that we have even mentioned Livingston, because Livingston is a sample of Zambia. So in Livingston, 30% of the workers take public transport daily. In a sample of 10 workers, what is the probability that exactly 3 workers take public transportation daily? So remember, they have told us to say we have 10 workers. So these 10 workers are like the whole of people that are found in Livingston who are participating in the transportation. So when you look at this 30%, the 30% of workers take public transport. Remember, when we looked at binomial distribution, we had to look at that success plus failure is equal to 1. So these, the ones who take public transport, are the ones who are in success, which means that the ones who 70% are trekking. So in Livingston, 30% of workers, they do that. So we will convert this 30% to a decimal by dividing it by 100. We get 0.3. And if we are to subtract 1 minus 0.3, you get your answer to be 0.7. So 0.3 is the number of success, while 0.7 is the number of failure. So we know for sure that under the binomial distribution, we have NR, in which we have PX, where P is the number of success. We have QN minus X. So this is the formula that we are always using when we are dealing with the binomial distribution, where they have told us to say we have 10 workers, and they have told us to say exactly 3 workers. So we put 3 here, and we know for sure that P, the value is 0.3, and X, the value is 3, where Q is 0.7, and we say 10 minus 3. So from here now we will get our calculator. Remember, 10 and 3 like this simply means combination. So 10 combination 3 is the same as 120. So we put 120, and we know for sure that 0.3 to the power 3 is the same as 0.027. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7, and 0.7 to the power 7 is the same as that which we have there. So now that we have this, we will just write it here, 0.0823543. So this is what we have. Then we'll just multiply this times 120 by 0.027, and we get our answer to be 0.2668. So this is the probability that exactly 3 workers take public transportation daily. Your host, Golden Zulu.